Warning: this is not a test. This message was sent at the request of the National Weather Service. This is a warning you about the landfall of the first hypercane in Florida. The hypercane is said to make landfall in 1 week, but it might form into a Category 2 hypercane. Warning: this is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. If you're still in this area, evacuate now. This hypercane is very dangerous and should not be taken as a joke. This hypercane's winds reach 520 miles per hour. This is not a test.